Hello. I'm back to using my Gua Sha for my face, and today is my 14th day, and I don't know if you can see some difference. Of course, my eye bags are still there, still very visible. I think my complexion has gotten better. I have just finished doing my daily morning ritual. I had caught a cold during these 3 days because my kids got it from the kindergarten and they brought it home, and I got this cold. So what I noticed is that my sinus got better, because after the COVID from last 2 years ago, my sinus got really blocked, and even if I got the slightest cold, I get an overproduction of phlegm. It's uncomfortable. I focused a lot on opening my sinus because I think I have some blockage in the sinus, and during these 14 days I have continued doing it in the morning after drinking lemon water, because I've read that you should not do the Gua Sha facial massage if you have thirst. So I have started also massaging this part here to release some blockage in the sinus. This part, I think one of the good effects that I've noticed is actually the sinus blockage is reduced. So if you can hear it from my voice, I still have it, but today it's getting better. And I focused a lot also on the lymph nodes here. So I'll just do this kind of action to release some tension here, and I can feel it got better. So just continue doing it. And here as well, just below the jaw, from the back of the ear, because COVID really effed out my sinus. When I got fever last year, my phlegm couldn't flow and it went to my ear, and that's how I got middle ear infection, and it lasted for 1 month, one long month. I've been going to the hospital like every 2 days to get my ear checked. Luckily, just before summer, just before we went camping in the lake, my ear just got better, but the doctor told me that they couldn't do anything more. During the last test, my hearing was reduced to 70% instead of 100%. I consider myself already lucky that I still have my hearing, not 100%. I still got 70%, and I'm really thankful for that. So that's why I'm focusing very much on this one and this part here. And also, of course, I'm very scared and worried about getting another ear infection, and so I'm thinking like of using the Gua Sha facial massage as part of my routine. It's -2 outside, and I noticed that during these 3 days I had a cold. I noticed that my phlegm started to get less sticky and it could flow better. I mean, it's coming right out from the nose. Before this, I got sick almost every month. After the COVID, I got sick like every month, and I mean cold, you know, this runny nose, some cough, but that's normal. I think when you have kids going to the kindergarten, they always bring kindergarten sickness home, and I got used to it. Immune system was not the same as before the COVID. I am drinking warm lemon water in the morning before I take anything, before coffee, before meal. So I think it also helped pump up my vitamin C, because I don't normally take those vitamin pills. I also started doing some intermittent fasting because I couldn't exercise for like 1 year. Can you imagine? 1 year. Because I was always sick. So I had to find ways to reduce weight, because when I turned 40, I realized that my metabolism is not the same as when I was in my 20s or 30s, early 30s. So I needed to find something. If I couldn't exercise, I had to reduce my eating. Overeating kills, and I noticed that when I started intermittent fasting from 7:30 in the evening until 11 to 12 the next day in the morning, I actually noticed a lot of difference with my weight and also how I feel. I feel a lot lighter. So my weighing scale is not working because there's no more battery. But I noticed it because of my ring, you know. I learned that intermittent fasting helps a lot. So this is my second tip. My goal is actually, of course, to remain young. No, not really. But to age gracefully, to be healthy, because health is wealth. I could show you the effect of intermittent fasting in my next video. And by the way, I would like to thank my 2 subscribers in my last video, because for me it means a lot. And when you watch my video, it's already something, but when you subscribe, it's another thing. I mean, my video is not about being a professional Gua Sha massage. I am not a professional YouTuber, but what I'm offering you is actually, I'm just sharing my experiences, and I think sharing experiences helps, because sharing is caring. And if you want to have a professional YouTuber who can do really good Gua Sha massage, I recommend Tina Engeo. She looks very pretty and she has this very soft voice, and she looks like she knows what she's doing. So actually, she's my also go-to Gua Sha facial massage YouTuber. I might not be able to reach that level. I'm just a mama wannabe YouTuber. I'm actually inspired about health and face, so I'm just sharing my experiences here. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you once again. I'm going to do a video of my 30 days Gua Sha journey, and because it's time to pick up my kids again from the kindergarten, with a bicycle. So see you next time.